Hi everyone. In today's video, we are diving into basics of charting with Amibroker. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to refresh your skills means this video is for you. Now see, what is Amibroker? Amibroker is a charting and analysis software that allows you to create custom charts, apply indicators and analyze the market data. Today, we will cover how to set up your charts and get started with some basic features. For Amibroker installation and integration with data feed, we have uploaded the video. The link is in description. Now we will discuss to create basic charts in Amibroker. Setting up your first chart. First, open Amibroker and load your data. Here I have already opened Amibroker and loaded a database here. Then go to File menu and choose New. Here select blank chart. After choosing a blank chart, now we can select chart from the imported data. Go to Windows and pick symbols. For example, here I have chosen a Nifty future. To create your first chart, go to Windows and select Charts. Then the chart tab is available below. From here, we have chosen a price chart under the basic chart. Now we can choose time frame in the chart. Time frame might be as short as 1 minute or 5 minutes or as long as daily, weekly or monthly. To choose the preferred time frame, right click and select intraday. From here, we can able to see tick to all time frames will be available. Here I have chosen 5 minutes time frame. This displays the open, high, low and close values for the given time period 5 minutes. Our Nifty future shows downtrend in 5 minutes time frame. Let's see the trend in daily and weekly time frame. With this, we can very well say that Nifty's short trend is downside and its long-term trend is upside. Likewise, you can select the stocks for your choice and predict the trend using Amibroker chart. Amibroker has a plenty of chart features embedded within itself. In the upcoming videos, we will cover all the great features of Amibroker. Thanks for watching. Bye.